Hey Mateo, it's Albert here, ClickFunnels Support. So here I am in your funnel. All right, so we're going to go right to the source here and go right to your image. Okay, give me 1 second here. I might have to reload your page here. Yeah, give me 1 second here. Here we go. Let's go back into your funnel here. All right, let's try this again. Our system's a little weird, so. All right, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and go right into the picture here. I'm pretty sure this is what you're referring to. One thing I did notice, I did look in here. I didn't notice you had a couple others in here. So the one thing I did notice is, so you have two different colors here, but the one that's actually in the image, that's actually in the funnel here, it doesn't look like it's here. So what that tells me is if you had that image here in your library, okay, and then you used it, you uploaded it, right? You added the image, right? So it's a different color, and as far as I know, you can't change the color of that image, okay? So what that tells me is that you likely used this picture, this image here, and you saved it, and for some reason, it's been deleted from your actual library, okay? So when this page is displaying, for some reason, for whatever reason, this got deleted on the back end there in your library. So when this is displaying, it's throwing an error because it's trying to read this URL. So as the page renders on a live, right, on a live page, wherever it's throwing the error, it's because it's trying to render this picture. It's trying to read this link here, and the image link is actually it doesn't exist anymore. It only exists right here. Sorry about that. So it only exists right here, and the image only exists here. It's saved into your funnel, right? But on the back end, it seems like you may have deleted it somehow. Okay. Now let me just go ahead and just double check. Make sure I don't see anything here. Yeah. All right. So what I would say is re-upload the image that has the green color into your library. Okay. And then come back to your funnel. All right. Come back to your funnel and delete that image and then re-upload it, re-add it, okay, to that area. Okay, I hope that helps you with your issue. Go ahead and try that and make sure that it is uploaded to your library, okay, and then you can re-add it to your funnel, and then from there we can move on and see if that fixes it, okay? All right, thanks.